Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your nickname or other people's nickname in a Discord server. First, all we need to do is type slash, then nick, and take note, it has to be a lowercase because if you uppercase hit all, then it will not work. This is actually a command also. Now let's type the nickname that we want. Let's say we want a nickname Patrick. And then click on enter. And as you can see, if it has successfully changed our nickname, a bot will notify us that your nickname on the server has been changed to Patrick, and only you can see this notification as indicated here. So when we type our message, notice that the name here is Patrick, while my actual name in Discord is Kiro. And this Patrick name only appears on this server. And now let's change into other nicknames. Let's see what else is fun. Let's say Lion. And now it has notified that our nickname is now Lion. So let's type a message. Let's say Roar. And as you can see, our nickname is now changed into Lion, and our name in Discord is simply Kiro. And that is how you change your own nickname in a Discord server. And now let's stick to how you can change other people's nickname in a Discord server. So all you have to do is click here on this down arrow button and then choose server settings. After that, let's go to members here under users management. And here, as you can see, we have this person here named Bunny. Actually, this is also a nickname he set for himself, but let's change that. And here, click on change nickname. After you have clicked that 3 dots icon there, and now let's type the nickname, whatever we want. Let's say whatever, because whatever we want, right? And click on save. And as you can see, his nickname is now whatever. And then go back. And then let's use that account because actually I made it for its tutorial. And here, you want to type a message, let's say, hey. And as you can see, the nickname is now whatever, while his original Discord nickname is Orax. And that's it.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.